Hello. Today I'd like to show you how you can monitor and control any outlet using your command line. For those of you who haven't heard of the Modlet before, it's a clever device made by ThinkEco that fits over any standard US outlet. Once placed over an outlet, it can measure its energy usage and can control each socket independently. The best part is that it can be controlled wirelessly by your computer. So let's get started. In order to make this work, you'll need a computer running Linux, a spare USB port, a Modlet starter kit, and a standard outlet. Since I've already ordered a starter kit, let's go ahead and open it up. As you can see, each starter kit includes a dongle and the Modlet itself. You'll need to plug the dongle into the computer running Linux. In this case, I don't need to plug it into my laptop because I actually have a Raspberry Pi in the other room running Linux. The next step is to install the software. It's written in Ruby, so you'll need to run gem install Hacklet to install it. However, I've actually already installed it, so I'm going to go ahead and skip this step. Once the installation step is complete, you'll need to activate the commissioning mode by typing Hacklet commission. Now let's plug a charger into the Modlet itself so that we can identify when the top socket is on, just like so. Then plug the entire Modlet into an outlet. If it's a new Modlet, the red indicator at the top will be spinning already, but since I've already commissioned mine, I have to press and hold. We should now see the device appear in the commissioning software, as we just did. Now it's important to write down the device ID and the network ID because that's how we identify it for controlling it later. Great, I saved it to a file. Now let's go ahead and turn the top socket off. In order to do that, we run Hacklet off with the proper options. In this case, the N stands for network, and then we use the network identifier given to us in the commissioning process. Then we use the S option in order to identify which socket. In this case, we use 0 because we want the top socket. As you can see, the light just turned off, so the top socket is now off. Let's turn it back on again. In order to do that, all we need to do is give it the on command. And as you can see, the light is now lit up again. The final command that you'll be interested in is the command to read samples from the Modlet, and it's the read command. So let's go ahead and run that now. And as you can see, it prints out the different samples downloaded from the Modlet. In this case, it's 0 watts because nothing's plugged in. And it also gives you the timestamp at which the data was recorded. The Modlet records data in 10-second intervals, so it will give you a general idea of the power usage being used. Well, this is a pretty simple demo. The simple tool allows for a lot of power. For example, I've put together another project called Hacklet Remote, which allows you to integrate your Hacklet with the popular if this then that service. Once connected, you can control your appliances via SMS, email, or even Google Calendar. The possibilities are really endless. I'm pretty excited about all this and would love your help. If you're interested, please check out the project page and find out how you can contribute. I'm Matt Collier, and thanks for your time.